In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook account permanently. Now, for us to get this done, I just want you to go ahead and basically click this one right here and then open your settings. Now that we are in the settings, go ahead and choose the account center, and then we're going to go ahead and scroll down until we see the personal details. Now that we are seeing this one, go ahead and choose account ownership and control, deactivation or deletion, and then you're going to choose your Facebook account. Now from here, go ahead and scroll down and choose the second option, which is deleting your personal account. Now this is going to be permanent, so you have to be wary about this one. Now that you are sure you want to delete this one, go ahead and tap continue right here. Now if you have your own page, please do remember that it is also going to delete that particular page. So if you're sure, go ahead and tap continue right here, and then go ahead and choose the reason. So I'm going to choose the last one right here, click continue, and then click continue once again. And then from here, it is give you an option. So instead of deleting, it is going to ask you to just deactivate. But if you don't want to do that, go ahead and scroll down here and tap the continue button right here. And then the last thing that you are going to do is basically enter your password. And after this, your account should be deactivated for 30 days, just in case you're going to change your mind. And after the 30 days, when you don't activate or reactivate it, it is going to be permanently deleted. And that, everybody, is how you are going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.